Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to look at the C major chord, not only one but three different versions of it. I would like to thank Justin Sanderco for teaching the third variation of the G major chord on guitar. If you don't know about him, just search for Justin Guitar and you will get his channel. Now coming back to the task in hand. The first version, and that's the one most people learn in their initial days, is this one. The first finger on the second fret of 5th string, the second finger reaching up to the 3rd fret of 6th string, and lastly the third finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. You can see the stretch here. By the way, I play C major chord this way, so it's a matter of practice and preference or songs you are playing. I am not going much on the chord check for this chord because the check will pretty much be the same, like fingers laying flat or not pressing hard enough or fingers touching string above, and I am confident enough you can deal with these things on your own at this point. Well, coming to the second version of C major chord, your first and second finger remains in the same position. Your third finger shifts up a string and your pinky now gets the job of pressing the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Okay? Some people may find this version easier than the first one. However, some may feel the first version easier, like I do. Not sure of future though. Maybe after some more years of playing, things will change. Only time will tell. Now coming to the third variation, or I name it the Justin variation. You are using just 2 fingers here. This is an enhancement done on the first version actually. We are muting the 5th string with the flex of the second finger and hence lifting of the first finger. Notice that the 5th string is muted and we want it to be muted. So in your chord check exercises, ensure that your 5th string is muted if you are using this variation, by the way. That's it. Those are the 3 variations of open C chord that you can play. C chord is pretty important because in many songs you will find this chord as part of the progression. G, C, E minor, D and C, F, A minor, G are pretty common in songs, and in both the cases C and G are common. So this progression of C to G is pretty important. Give it a go to play G to C and vice versa with all the 3 versions. Choose the one you like and feel comfortable switching to and from. Let me know in the comments which version you are deploying in your playing.